friends, happy Diwali. Today I am going to say about giraffe. I am also a dear. I am a part of the co-founder of Children's Wildlife SOS and Fun. Today we are going to see about the giraffe. Giraffes are being extinct, endangered and very extinct species. So if we don't protect the giraffe, it will soon lead us to the extinction of giraffe. So you should protect it. There are some things about giraffe, like its scientific name and many more. So the common name we call is giraffe, but its scientific name is Giraffa camelopardalis. Can you spell it with me? Camelopardalis. It is like a tongue twister. If you say it speed, it will not come to you. So can we spell it now? Camelopardalis. Sir came low past the list. Giraffe came low past the list. How fun is it? Ha. Its type is a mammal. Mammals would eat only the plants. It's a herbivore. Average living span in the wild is 25 years, but we torture it more. So it did not live at least to 10 years. So it grew to a height of 14 to 19 feet. It weighs up to 1,750 pounds, 2,800 pounds. How big is it? And it's relative to 6 feet man. IUCN Red List status is it is a vulnerable species. It is a endangered species and giraffe. Today, now I'm going to say about the giraffe. I'm Satvik, the co-founder of Wildlife SOS Children. So, giraffes are the world's tallest animal mammals thanks to their towering legs and long necks. A giraffe's legs alone are taller than many humans, about 6 feet. These long legs allow giraffes to run as fast as 35 miles an hour over short distances and cruise comfortably at 10 miles an hour over longer distances. Its behavior is typically these fascinating animals roam in the open grassland in a small groups about half a dozen. One dozen is 12, half a dozen is how? 2, 3, 2, 6 or 12. So it roams in 6. Bulls sometimes battle one another by butting their long necks and their heads. Such contests aren't usually dangerous and end when one animal submits and walks away. It's like they have antelope-like structure, a bull-like structure on their head. They fight with their heads on a crisscross way. That's called, that's what they are coming to say. And its height and size is giraffes usually use their height to good advantage and browse on leaves and buds in tree tops that few other animals can reach. Acacias are a favorite. Even the giraffe's tongue is long 21-inch tongue. Its tongue is bigger than us, like this much big size, like a small puppy. 21-inch tongue. But people always kill them for their tail. They say something that is it's medicinal and it's costly. So we should not do it. Do not do it ever after. Giraffe 21-inch tongue helps them to pluck tasty morsels from the branches. Giraffes eat most of the time and like cows. Regurgitate, regurgitate food and chew it as cud. A giraffe eats hundreds of pounds of leaves each week and must travel miles to find enough food. Okay, they are saying cows, right? Cows are like they have four stomachs. On the second stomach, the cud will come. On the middle of the first stomach and the second stomach there will be the cud. So again they will swallow it and eat it and again give it and goes to the third stomach. A giraffe, the giraffe's height also helps it to keep a sharp lookout for predators across the wide expanse of African savanna. Height and size are also considered. The giraffe's structure can be a disadvantage as well. It is difficult and dangerous for a giraffe to drink at a water hole. To do so, they must spread their legs and bend down in an awkward position, like that make them vulnerable. Vulnerable means vulnerable to predators like Africa's big cat. Giraffes only need to drink once every several days. They get most of their water from the luscious plants they eat. Nutritious plants they eat. Female giraffes do both standing up. Their young endure a rather rude welcome into the world by falling more than 5 feet to the ground. At birth, these infants can stand in half an hour and run with their mothers, an incredible 10 hours after birth. Also, its populations are really less. Now, really, it's going to be extinct. So, can you do not stop it? Do not throw plastics on the seawater. Do not pollute the air. They are dying because of that. They are killing animals for their tail and so much. Giraffes have beautiful spotted spots like the rock python, while no two individuals have exactly the same pattern. Giraffes from the same area appear similar. Some giraffes have the same spotted, so they are like friends or like that. Up until recently, the consensus has been that it's only one of the species of giraffe with multiple subspecies. In 2016, some scientists released a study that claims genetic differences among giraffe populations indicate the existence of four extinct giraffe species. Like four species have been extinct. So, what can you do? Stop throwing and recycle everything. Do not pollute the air. Also, today is a superb day. Today, I am going to tell you some facts. Super, like did you know fact? Okay, did you know that giraffes can reach the leaves at the tops of their trees with other animals can? Like, you see, can bulls reach the top of the trees? Yeah, elephants can reach, but can cows or lizards can reach, but cows, bulls, cats, wood can reach the height by standing at the ground. Lizard like structures? No, right? Giraffes and another three facts. Giraffes arch their necks to force air through their windpipe, creating very low frequency sound. If example, for example, there is a pipe flowing with water. When you bend it, will the water flow? No, right? That's the same to giraffe. When it bends, the bone tight the windpipe, so it stretches arch their body, so they can breathe with a low frequency sound. Because no sounds come, but giraffes have low frequency sound, have little bit sound. Giraffes smell bad. It's possible the odor repels ticks and fungus. Fungus will also come if it smells bad on the air. So it itself pollutes, but it can order the smell. It can, because you smell, so we can. Giraffe fat weighs about 25 pounds. It has to be that too much to pump blood all the day to its brain. It takes all day to pump little bit of blood to its brain. So, and another fact, they can sleep up to, they will sleep only 5 hours, 5 minutes or 30 minutes per day. They can only sleep that much, and they eat 20 hours, 16 hours a day. Whoa. And the quiz link to attend the quiz link will be at the description below. And subscribe my channel and like. Thank you. The link will be at the description below. Thank you. Bye and happy Diwali, friends. Thank you. Bye.